Hello, I'm Anuradha, CEO of UzuHealth, and today I'll be walking you through the UzuHealth Mobile App. In this short demonstration, I'll show you how a patient can easily book a doctor's appointment, schedule lab tests, and consult with our health counselors all in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. This is the UzuHealth Mobile App. To begin, you'll need to sign up by entering the required details. Since I already have a patient's account, I'll simply log in by entering my phone number and verifying it with an OTP. Once logged in, this is the home interface. Here, you can view all your upcoming and past appointments in one place. To start a new appointment, a pop-up menu will appear with three options: book doctor appointment, book lab test, and consult with our counselor. Tap on Book Doctor Appointment. A chat window will open to guide you through the process. If you are consulting for yourself, select For Myself. Next, choose the relevant medical department from the list provided. You can also browse and view the doctors available under each department. By clicking on a doctor's profile, you can access detailed information about their qualifications and their experiences. Press Continue and confirm your booking. Our health counselor will shortly contact you to better understand your health concern and assign the most appropriate doctor. After the doctor is assigned, you can complete your payment directly from the detailed appointment page. If you have any prior medical reports, you can upload them on this page as well. You may also chat with the counselor if you have any additional queries. At the scheduled time, simply tap Join Consultation to start your video consultation with the doctor. After the consultation, the doctor will provide a prescription and may recommend lab tests or follow-up appointments if required. To book a lab test, tap Book a Lab Test. Select whether the test is for yourself or for someone else. Next, choose your prescribed test or browse from the available health test packages. Tap Continue. Select your preferred date and time and confirm your booking. Our health counselor will contact you shortly to assign the nearest lab center for your test. You can then complete your payment and visit the lab test center at your scheduled time. If you would like a guidance before booking an appointment, you can directly tap on Consult with our counselor. Simply type your health concern and one of our counselors will join the chat shortly to assist you. And that's how easy it is to manage your healthcare with the UzuHealth Mobile App. From booking doctor, consultations, and lab tests to receiving expert guidance from our counselors. Everything is designed to make healthcare simple, accessible, and convenient for you. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to supporting your health journey with UzuHealth.